In this question, we are going to use general method to solve a question related to identity, and then to find out the value of n. When we have identity, that means let's say 3x plus 1, then its identity to something, then it must be exactly the same. 3x plus 1. That means the conclusion is the corresponding term must be exactly the same. That's the property of identity. So that's why we are trying to compare left hand side and right hand side. And the format should be how many x squared plus how many x plus how many. That's our required format. We are going to do the same for both left hand side and right hand side. For left hand side, we have 4x squared plus m times x plus 1 plus 28. It's not exactly the same format required because mx and also m times 1 is mixed inside one term. So we have to separate them. 4x squared plus mx plus m plus 28. So that means how many x squared? We have 4 times. How many x? We have m times. What is the constant? Is m plus 28. We say that this is acceptable format. Then we are going to handle our hs after that. We have mx x plus 3 plus n times x minus 4. Again, everything is mixed. That's why we have to expand it. Mx squared plus 3mx plus nx minus 4n. With x, we have to group them together. So that's why how many x squared? We have m times of x squared. Extract x, that means we have 3m plus n times of x squared. And then minus 4n. After that, we can compare. We are going to copy down left hand side once again for easy comparison. 4x squared, positive mx, positive m plus 28. Now we can make 3 conclusions. The first conclusion is this part equal to this part, therefore m is equal to 4. The second conclusion is this part must equal to this part. That's why we know that 3m plus n is equal to m. And the final conclusion, we know that the constant must be exactly the same. So negative 4n is equal to m plus 28. Because we already know m is equal to 4, so by replace the value, then we find n also. 3 times 4 plus n is equal to 4. So n is equal to 4 minus 12, n is equal to negative 8. We get our answer. Or if you don't use this one, you use this sentence, it also give you the same result. Negative 4n is equal to 4 plus 28. Negative 4n is equal to negative 32. So n is equal to 32 divided by negative 4, n is equal to negative 8. We still get the same answer. So the answer is A. This is more general method. It's no matter how they are combined. If you just separate to the standard format like this, x squared, x constant, and then compare one by one, you can draw enough conclusion to solve the answer. There are some shortcuts, but we go through in the next video.